Pero guys, ay! Wala ilaw. 3, 2, 1. Meron na tayong ilaw. Pinalitan ko lang siya kasi ay yung totoo. Try natin ito. May mga flavor siya. Ito ilagyan mo 3 lang flavor. Yeah. Nakain ko na ito sa part 1 na video. Ito naman part 2. Nag-part 2 na agad ako eh. Ito paborito ko. Ito nga. Lapit ko muna strawberry. Yun. Balik natin to. Ito na guys. Kakainin na natin to.
Israeli naval forces have intercepted an international flotilla attempting to deliver aid in Gaza. The global Summit flotilla
Comment yan kung sino dyan Pilipina. Ay Pilipinas.
miles from the port had a strong claim. It was carrying around 500 activists, parliamentarians, and lawyers, including Swedish land campaigner Greta Thunberg, as it approached Gaza with humanitarian aid. Despite warnings from Israel to turn back,
So
the
guys,
flotilla persisted
sasabihin ko
with the Israeli rocket of Gaza, which has
galit ako sa crush ko.
Israel announced that it has intercepted several
Baka makita yung video ko eh. Kaya hindi ko sasabihin yung action niya sa
According to the
akin.
ministry, Thunberg and other activists are safe and healthy. A video shared by the ministry shows
Magkaklase ko ganyan niya. Tignan mo yun, no?
last time
Tapos
Thunberg had
ganyan
attempted
lang.
to make it
Ganyan
to
ta.
Gaza with the
Tignan mo yun, no?
Israel had deemed it a selfie opportunity.
Ginanon niya. Diba ko crush ko ay yung nasa pinakadulo.
Demanding the release of activists detained by Israeli forces after their
Ano, ti?
flotilla was intercepted in the Mediterranean. Activists and organizers announced the interception as a criminal attack and violation of international law.
Binubuli siya. Oo.
Protesters gathered outside the Greek Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Athens to denounce Israel's interception of the global Summit flotilla, which was carrying humanitarian aid to Gaza. People chanted slogans in support of Palestinians and the global Summit flotilla.
Maganda ko siya. Oo eh. Matapos na yung video kaya ubusin na natin. Trito. Bye-bye.